I'm gonna show you the simple way I found it. You can use a flat tip, but if your key ring is attached, go ahead and leave it on. Flip your remote on the side, you'll see your emergency release. When you see that, go ahead and push that down. Pull your emergency key out. Now you can use your emergency key to do this task. The easiest way I found to do it is if you look here on the sides, you got a little indentation on both, just right above those little crevices. I have found if you turn around, just take the tip of your emergency blade, slide it in. You'll notice this corner will pop up, lift up a little there. Come over to the opposite side, there's that little indentation here. Slide your flat tip in there. And you notice the remote housing wants to pop open. You might have to go back over. Make sure you put your fingernail in here to keep the gap. We'll put it back in and just slowly lift up. And you notice the back cover came off. Here's where your flat tip comes into play. You'll notice you've got a little piece of plastic here that covers more of the battery than this one. That's where you want to turn around, take your flat tip, push the battery towards it. Use your finger, screwdriver. Just be careful on prying that you don't bust any of that. But lift up and your battery wants to pop out. This is a CR2450 battery where we're using the same one. Now when you put it in, be careful. If you notice you got the little tab here, you need to put those in first. And when you do, slide the battery in, push down, and you want to slide it up this way towards the top to lock it in. So you pull it back, you'll notice we've got it where it'll pop out. That's where that flat tip just comes in. You just need it for just a little bit of pressure. Now that we've got that done, take your two halves, put them back together, snap the sides around, put your emergency blade back in, and there you go. You've just changed your battery. Hey, thanks for watching Soldering Locksmith. If the video helped you, go ahead and give us a like, comment, tell us thanks.